For engine start, ensure you start the right engine first with external power. Call out hands clear and ensure you get a hands clear response from the rear cockpit. Always ensure your hands are clear when people are operating underneath the jet or the crew is outside your line of sight. Ensure danger areas in front of the intakes and behind the exhaust are clear. Ensure there is a fodder bottle nearby. Ensure there is no fueling or liquid oxygen recharging in any of the adjacent spaces. Give the crew chief the signal to start airflow. As RPM reaches 12%, give the crew chief the engine start signal. Press the engine start button when at or above 12% on the EED. Verify that the EGT and oil pressure are not failed. Verify the fuel flow has a reading no higher than 60 pounds per hour. As technique, verify there are no latched indications and the EED fail not displayed. Advance the right throttle to idle. Verify fuel flow at or below 360 pounds per hour prior to light off. An instantaneous spike slightly above 360 is okay. If the EGT fails to rise within 12 seconds of fuel flow or exceeds 845 degrees C, then turn the throttle off. Verify the right motor stabilizes within idle ops limits. Note, the RPM may show 51% with the airflow engaged. That's okay. It's common to see idle oil pressure higher than 20 psi initially during first go starts, particularly during cold days. Verify flight hydraulic pressure within limits. Verify the caution warning lights only display left gen, utility hydraulics, and left fuel pressure. If a right gen is displayed, you may set the throttles to 48% to ensure it cuts in. Note, the left fuel pressure light may not be illuminated. That's okay. Give the crew chief the signal to change airflow. As RPM reaches 12% on the left motor, give the crew chief the engine start signal. Press the engine start button when at or above 12% on the EED. Verify no failed indications and that the left fuel flow is less than 60 pounds per hour. Advance the left throttle to idle. Monitor the left engine start the same as the right. Verify the left motor hydraulics stabilize in limits and the caution warning lights extinguish. Check the throttle gate is engaged. Test your G-suit. If performing a battery start, set avionics panel TCAS MDP IGE to on. Set the MFD to day. Set the UFCP HUD to on. Check the ignition and center pedestal circuit breakers. Call out throttle gate engaged, circuit breakers check, hands clear. Rear cockpit will call out hands clear, circuit breakers check. Give the crew chief the signal to disconnect the airflow. Now a real-time demonstration of the engine start.
Alright, crew chief, fire bottle, no refueling oxygen within 50 feet. Danger areas are clear, hands clear. Clear. Signal. Alright, RPM's coming up. Signal. Cranking 2. Fuel flow. 2 potato. 3 potato. Light off. 540. Alright, motor looks good. Hands clear. Clear. RPM's coming up, crew chief's out, cranking number 1, start, throttle up, fuel flow, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, light off. And 585, look good. I got a throttle gate engaged, disengaged, re-engaged, G-suit, circuit breakers, hands clear.
G-suit, circuit breakers, hands clear in the back.
Hands clear. Shut down. Oh wait, we need to do gotta do all the other stuff. Alright, pitot heat. Check. Pitot heat off. Trim, check. Forward, aft, take off trim. Go aft first, take off trim, forward. Take off trim. Alright, elevator's up. Elevator's down. Right up, left, down. Left, right, down. Rudder right. Rudder left. Rudder right. Full motion. Speed brakes. Flaps to 60. I'll do my light at a leader while that's going down, and I'm checking the other side.
Caution.
That the crew chief
Caution.
is not checking. Flaps to full. Flaps up. Setting them just below 60 as a technique. Alright. Check Iggy. Got full alignment, and I can put that into nav mode. Check left gen, good cross. Right generator, good cross. Seat pins, brakes, hands clear.
Clear.